Hello everyone, mga kababayan. Yun na nga, since yesterday nag-start kami mag-hike. Ang ganda nung mountain na pinuntahan namin kahapon. Isa siya sa 100 top mountains. Ang ganda ng falls, ang ganda ng rivers, everything is very beautiful around that mountain. And definitely, you should have to visit one day for the hikers. And meron pang aksidenteng nangyari, yung isang matanda doon. Masyadong dangerous na yung step dun sa river. Pagkatapos may hawak pa siyang ganito, dapat to kinikip natin, hindi to gagamitin doon. Gamit niya pa rin to. Yeah, dapat gamit niya. May mga ano doon, may mga ganito chain na hahawakan to hold, to climb. Tapos yun, may mga chain doon kasi ano nga siya, very dangerous to climb. Kaya may mga ganito chain para to hold. Yun, meron kami inakyat pang doon na rock. It's really hard to climb without this. Tapos, ayun, nakayanan ko naman. Tatlong way, 1, 2, 3. Ngayon, you gonna choose kung saan mo gustong mag-climb doon. Yung pala, mas mahirap yung 1. Ang choose ko yung number 2. Mas gusto ko yung much more harder, much more challenging, diba? Ayun, nakaka-proud lang kasi that is the hardest rock I climbed ever since. Tapos yun nga, on our way down nga dun sa river na yun, panigurado yung jeep, yung matanda na yun. After 3 days, he will feel pain somewhere in his back. Tapos yun, for us it's easy, but for the old, it should be double care. Well, in total, it's a really great mountain, very good mountain. That's why that mountain is included on the top 100 top mountains. Huwag niyong kalimutan na i-follow ang aming YouTube channel at Facebook page. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.